What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now. Just ordered my new awning. My other one had ripped. And every video I found on these said you had to take this whole deal off and take these rivets off and do all this stuff and have 3-4 people helping you. And I put this on by myself, me and my wife, and it wasn't that bad. Probably took us very little time, probably like an hour. And what I did was give you a small trick, because you know I'm a welder and fabricator. So after I looked at the situation on how to take it off, I got a cut in this, and I cut it down here. And then there's another one on the other side down there. I cut it, and I slid that other one completely off of there. And then I slid this one on there and rolled it up. And we're gonna put it up in the morning. But that's a tip and a trick you can use to save you a lot of time, so you can thank me later. Send me $50, $100, whatever you like. I appreciate it. Hog on. Enjoy your day.